2000, so we're going to be opening up this window and installing it. I'm sure it's fairly simple installation. I didn't like the one that I had before that would fold open. Moisture would, when it was raining, would come in where the hinge was. I'm sure there's better ones. StarkNight has a few different windshields, a couple that open on hydraulic cylinders, and this is just a solid front window because that's what I wanted. So as you can see here, they have a nice protective film on the windshield, and it looks like a really simple installation. Put the rubber bumper on, 4 clamps, secure it to the post, and you're back riding. So we like quick and easy. This part's pretty simple. You can start wherever and put the rubber bumper on. The big cushion tube part's going to go towards the inside of the machine, and you just push this on the edge. Make sure it's nice and seated the whole way around. Now we got our rubber bumper on, we do the fitment check. I'm gonna put the top in first. It's got to go up under the roof. These are what the straps look like. They got a hard cover. I would recommend putting them on loose and then getting it where you want and just tightening it up. So everything is in place now. So get your window where you want it. I want mine to be a little bit higher than down, resting on the bottom. So I'm gonna pull it up just a hair so no moisture gets into from the top and comes into the inside the cab. So I'm going to slide it up a little bit and cinch it down. And then you just pull them tight. These go into the window. Pull them tight and Velcro them around the A-post.